All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 16 of February Daily Math. Number 1, we're going to start with the number 72 and we're going to add 15. I'm going to put my 1 and my 5 there, so 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 1 plus 7 equals 8. Now we're going to subtract 40 from 87. Well, 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. And finally, we're going to add 8. 47 plus 8 equals 55. All right, number 3. I see the banners that the bear has there, 849, 894, 809, 890. Order these numbers from the least to the greatest. Well, they all start with 800. So now we're going to have to move from the hundreds column to the tens column for each one. And the smallest number, let's see, there's a 4. There's a 9. That one's not it. There's a 0. And there's a 9. So the 0 is going to be the lowest number. So the smallest number we have right here is 809. And the second smallest would be the 4 in the tens column, 849. So we've used this one. Now we're using this one. All right, now I have 2 left. I have 94 and 90. Well, 90 is less than 94, so 890 is less than 894. All right, number 4. There were 32 valentines in Jordy's box. He took 13 out of the box. How many valentines are left in his box? Finish putting numbers on the number line, then use it to solve the problem. Okay, well, let's do the numbers first. There's 21, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and you'll notice I did not go in order all the way there. I just wanted to make sure I was doing them correctly and that I had enough room to finish all the numbers. All right, so we're going to start with 32 because there were 32 valentines in Jordy's box. So here's where we start, number 32. He took 13 out of the box. Okay, well, let's jump 10 back then, right? Because 32 down to 22 would be a jump of 10. Right? And so we took care of the 1. Now I still need 3 1s to go back. So we would go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or you can go 1, 2, 3 like that as well. All right, so there's our minus 10. Here's our minus 3 from the 13. We just basically broke it apart and did it by place value. So our answer would be what then? How many valentines are left in his box? 19 valentines. All right, number 5. It looks to me like that is a quarter. And it says, circle all that equal the value of 1 quarter. Well, 25 cents is a quarter. 25 pennies would be the same as a quarter. 5 nickels, 5 times 5 equals 25, so that would be 2 dimes, that's only 20. All right, boys and girls, go ahead, write your score in there, make corrections if you need to, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 17.